Welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi FAISON, and I welcome you all into my home. Actually, we're not inside the home. We're actually my little playhouse, girl cave, woman cave. This is where I like to come, and actually I gave her a name. It's Serenity Place. So this is where we are today. So I welcome you all here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. Guys, in today's video, I am participating in a collaboration, and it's hosted by two sisters here on the platform, and that is Anna, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Amethyst Adventures, Courtney. I will have their links in my description box below, so please make sure you go over and pay them a visit. And check out the playlist link, as there will be other creators sharing with you what we've decided to do for this collaboration, Christmas in July. Now guys, I wasn't sure what to do or how to do it, so I'm going to share with you a nice little vignette, and I hope you will enjoy it. So with that being said, with the word enjoy being said, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy yourselves. Now, for those of you, if it's your very first time stopping by, I take this time to say I welcome you and I thank you. Now, if you would love to be a part of my family, I tell you it is so easy. There's a red button that says subscribe. Press that button, and then there is a bell. Click the bell twice because it will say all, and that way you'll be notified of any and all uploads that are made here on this channel. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and continue with my little DIY and setting up my vignette, and I will bring you back and let you see what I've created. I don't want to spend a lot of time showing you exactly what I'm doing, but I will share this with you also. I'm going to have a wreath here and add this bow and a little bit more embellishments to it, and just see if I can make it work with these Christmas trees that I've created, and I've shared with you guys how I've done those as well. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm taking these paper mache trees and adding this Christmas vinyl to the trees. Now I'm not going to peel the vinyl, I'm just going to squeeze it tight enough and then add a little glue where it's necessary, just to keep it together. This is going to be a very quick and easy DIY if you choose to do these. And as you can see, one sheet does not cover the, I think this is the medium size. So one sheet will not cover the medium size. You will need to add a little extra. So the pack came with two of each pattern. So I have the one medium size here, and then I have two smaller trees that I will be doing. So I will have enough to complete this first one here. So as you can see, I'm just using a little bit of hot glue, and these are the smaller ones. So I have two of the smaller ones and the medium, and I'm going to continue to create these beautiful trees for my vignette. Creating these Christmas in July DIYs. So guys, continue to sit back, relax, go ahead, refresh your snack or refresh your drink, enjoy the content that I'm creating, and then go over check out the host, that is Anna, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Amethyst Adventures, Courtney. And again, I will leave their information in my description box, and please check on the playlist of all of the other creators. So guys, continue to watch as I continue to work, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you all so much for stopping by. So guys, as I continue with my wreath here, this will also be a good time to remind you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you're new to my channel, I thank you so much for visiting. And if you would like to become a part of this family, it's easy. Just make sure you hit the red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all uploads. So guys, as I prep you for the reveal, I will start with my center as I always love to do so. Now here are the paper mache trees that I have created, and I just have them standing upon these candle holders that I've had for quite some time. I thought they would be perfect. They look almost like the blue ice candle holders. So I've got one on each side with these little wall hangers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby was having a 50% off sale on their I think their wall decor. So and also these candle holders are some that I've had for quite some time. And we started here in the center with the beautiful wreath that you saw me repurposing. I'm just using it here in this basket to embellish my center. Now on the table, I'm using as a runner the greenery, this greenery runner. And guys, you know it's summertime, so we're having Christmas in July. So of course we're gonna have some greenery. We're gonna have a mixture of Christmas decor. My ribbon has the beautiful roses and the gold with the black and the white. Absolutely gorgeous. So guys, continue to watch, continue to enjoy with the music. Don't forget to check out the host and the playlist link of all of the other creators. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. And as far as my tablescape, I just decided to just leave it light and airy. I placed the dinner plate, the salad plate, a little cup, and a glass because that centerpiece was so beautiful. I could not just let it sit alone. All right, guys, I love you all so much. Continue to watch and continue to enjoy.